So, in one sentence, what do you wish everyone knew about cervical cancer?
It's actually a very common disease. A woman dies every 8 minutes from this disease. And 2/3 of these women who die leave behind young children and broken families.
Cancer.
It's a preventable cancer. Get screened and protect yourself.
Thank you.
ಒಂದು ತಿಳಿದಿರಬೇಕಾದ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 3 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ತಪ್ಪದೆ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ಬಂದು.
That cervical cancer is 100% preventable and we should act today.
Thank you.
The HPV vaccine is a safe and proven way to prevent cervical cancer, and you may need 1 to 2 doses depending on your age.
ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು.